Hey guys, welcome back to my channel after a very long time. I don't know, I just get lost in between, but I really meant to make this video since a very long time. And today suddenly I was like, let's just make a video. So here I am without even getting ready. And here's my bag full of the things I got from Sarojini. You know what, in office when our training was going on, I always used to watch Sarojini vlogs in the break time, and I dreamt of making a video like this. So without waiting further, let's get into the video. The first thing I got is this Samuri flower print dress. Just look at the color. It is just perfect for the summers. It has this amazing back. I tried this and it looked superb. I'll attach the clip, and I think this was for rupees 300, which is a very nice deal because the material is also very good and the fitting is just perfect. So the second thing I got is this jeans. Guys, you won't believe it is for just rupees 200. And it is so amazing. It has this zipper on both sides and it's a little faded in the middle. And the fitting of this also is great. I've been meaning to buy a white shirt since long, and I found this one in Graffiti Lane. This was for rupees 300 and I love the flower detailing on it. Okay, so this one is a real deal, you guys. This complete set, a cotton suit set, was for rupees 250. Just 250 rupees. Amazing print. And by the way, I uploaded a shorts in this suit, which is a styling video, and I also uploaded it on Instagram. Guys, please follow me on Instagram where I am very active and keep posting amazing stuff. So here is the bottom. It's very soft. The material is really nice, so comfortable and just perfect for the summer season. Then I got this shoulder bag. Oh my god, this is so stylish. I just love shoulder bags, and this one is just for rupees 400. Got this one from the Big C lane. When you start from the Big C lane and move to the other side, got a shop where they have bags and shoe collection. So I got this one from there. The quality is really nice, and the shimmery bag will go with almost every outfit. Moving on. So as we all know that lavender color is so in, so I really wanted something in that color, and luckily I found this pant or trouser, you can say. Just look at it. I mean, such a beautiful color. This color makes me so happy. It's a beautiful lilac kind of a color, and see the net detailing. It is so beautiful. And this one was for rupees 300. I'm planning to pair this up with a white crop top maybe. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any ideas. Okay, how can I forget this one? This is a true summer dress. The cloth, the flowy pattern, the print, it is also amazing. Here. And it came with an inner. I styled this one with a white bag and white heels. I'll attach the picture and you will love it. And I think this one was for rupees 300 or 400. So the next in line is this denim shirt. It it is half sleeved. This one was for around 250 to 300, I don't remember properly. And look at the color, it will go with black jeans, or I can wear denim on denim. It will look so cool. So now you go to Sarojini and you don't buy neck pieces, that's not possible. I bought these two amazing pieces at a price you won't believe. Just look at it. My god, it is so pretty, so pretty. I can pair it up with kurtis or suits or jeans and whatnot. And look at this one. It is a temple jewelry kind, and I absolutely love this one. And believe it or not, both of these are for 100 each. Yes guys, for rupees 100 each. That's the speciality of this place, that you will get trendy items, the latest stuff at a much cheaper price. If you find these online, maybe you'll get the same pattern, but I'm sure that will be pricey. So last but not the least, I bought this jute bag, which is very useful. We bought two of this kind for rupees 300. So this one is for rupees 150 and it's pretty good. It's colorful, it's spacious, and I love these orange rings. So guys, that was all for today. Please let me know if you find this video nice, and would you like to watch more of these? Guys, I am just beginning, and I really want to make videos, because when I was not making YouTube videos, I constantly felt an urge to make and upload videos. And now after much thought, I've decided that I'll wait no more and I'll upload more videos often. So show some love, keep supporting, please share my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye loves.